Hello, followers and viewers. I sincerely congratulate you with Christmas and with New Year. I wish that next year for you will be much more better than this year. And you got much wellness, happiness, and success in your life. And today I wanna play for you very popular. I would say that's the most popular uh, song, New Year song um, in Russia and in Soviet Union. It was as well the most popular for, especially for kids. Um, this song is uh, the fir tree was born in the forest. It has been written in the beginning of the 20th century, and until now it's the most popular. Listen and enjoy, my dear followers. Be good in New Year.